Your chest feels like it is being squeezed by a heavyweight, and every breath is a struggle. You are searching for anything that might offer a moment of clarity for your lungs. Suddenly, a product called Airovine appears on your feed with promises of a total respiratory reset. The marketing is slick. It talks about ending that nagging wheeze and clearing out years of accumulated gum. It sounds like a dream for anyone dealing with heavy congestion or even long-term breathing issues like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. But we have to look past the pretty pictures and the bold headlines. This liquid formula relies on a blend of wild-crafted mullein leaf extract along with ginger and bromelain. It also throws in some lemon peel and a mushroom extract. These are recognizable names. Mullein has been a staple in traditional herbalism for a long time. People have brewed it into teas for generations to soothe an irritated throat. Ginger is famous for its warming and anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain is an enzyme from pineapples that people often use for swelling. On the surface, it seems like a gentle herbal concoction. The problem is not the plants themselves. The problem is the massive gap between traditional use and the claim that these drops can cleanse your lungs of toxins. Your respiratory system is not a dirty carpet that needs a steam cleaner. Your body already has a brilliant natural defense system. You have tiny moving hairs and a constant flow of mucus designed to trap and eject particles. Taking a supplement to support your natural functions is one thing. Believing a few drops will magically scrub away damaged tissue or reverse a chronic disease is a dangerous leap. We also have to talk about the red flags popping up behind the scenes. The website for this product was only registered in April of 26. It is a digital infant. When you look at independent trust scores, the numbers are not pretty. One security tool gave the site a middle-of-the-road score of 54 out of 100. Another one was much harsher with a score of less than 27. That is a failing grade by almost any standard. There are no independent reviews on major platforms either. All the glowing praise is coming directly from the company website. That is a closed loop of information. You are only seeing what they want you to see. Testimonials are not clinical trials. A story about someone breathing better is a nice anecdote, but it is not scientific proof. It does not mean the product will work for you, or that it is even safe for long-term use. This feels like a high-risk gamble. The marketing is playing on your desire to feel better. It is tapping into the fear of not being able to breathe clearly. If you have actually purchased this and tried it for yourself, you should speak up. The community needs real feedback. Until we see some actual data or a longer track record of safety, this looks like a situation where you should proceed with extreme caution. Your lungs are vital organs. They deserve better than a mystery bottle from a brand new website. Keep your expectations grounded and your eyes wide open. Don't let a slick sales page convince you that your health can be fixed with a quick shortcut. Stay skeptical and talk to a doctor before trusting a viral trend. Your health is worth more than a gamble on a flashy advertisement.